Welcome and thank you for listening to this Paragon Edge audio blog. In today's financial services landscape, every second matters. Whether it's the speed of a card transaction, the rollout of a new mobile banking feature, or the ability to respond quickly to regulatory changes, time has become one of the industry's most valuable strategic resources. As digital payments become increasingly complex and consumer expectations rise, organizations that can reclaim, optimize, and reinvest their time gain a clear competitive advantage. This shift has sparked a broader conversation across the industry, one that reframes time not just as a constraint, but as a form of currency with measurable economic value. In most businesses, particularly in financial services, time has become an increasingly strategic asset. In his recent PWAMS.com essay, David S. Evans quantifies the value of human time at $4.5 quadrillion, urging innovators to treat time as the ultimate currency. Evans asserts that disruptive innovations can make time far more valuable and identifies 9 levers businesses can use to unlock the next big opportunities in time. The first is saving time, which focuses on spending less time on one task so that time can be redirected to something more meaningful or productive. Closely related is making time, which involves extending the human lifespan and increasing the total amount of time a person has available in their life. Another set of levers centers on improving the quality and utility of the hours we already have. Enriching time means packing more into the moments we're given, while monetizing time focuses on using time directly to generate income or financial security. Enjoying time highlights the importance of having more leisure moments and opportunities for rest, recreation, and personal fulfillment. Evans also describes mechanisms for exchanging and investing time. Trading time involves giving people something for free or at a discount in return for a portion of their attention, while investing time is about dedicating hours to learning or skill building so that a person's time becomes more valuable later in life. Finally, 2 levers relate to the speed and scale of time. Accelerating time shortens the delay between the creation of information and its delivery or usefulness, increasing responsiveness and efficiency. Multiplying time expands the collective total of human hours through better coordination, technology, and productivity, allowing individuals and organizations to accomplish more overall. Meanwhile, another PYMNets.com article observes that with the rise of Gen AI, the time spread, the difference between what something once cost in time and what it costs now, is becoming a measurable asset. The spread between what used to take hours and what now takes minutes is massive. For banks, credit unions, and payment processors, automated payment testing is a prime example of how technology can save, enrich, and multiply time, delivering measurable ROI and competitive advantage. Payment systems are the backbone of financial services. They must be fast, secure, compliant, and resilient, handling millions of transactions daily across ATMs, POS terminals, mobile apps, and digital wallets. Manual testing simply can't keep up with the pace of change, regulatory demands, and the need for flawless customer experiences. Financial institutions are seeing dramatic improvements in efficiency and speed through automated payment testing, with documented time savings and clear ROI across multiple areas. Regression testing cycles, which traditionally took weeks to complete, can now be reduced to mere hours. One case study, for example, demonstrated a cut from 976 man-hours to just 7 machine hours per cycle, representing a remarkable 99% time savings. Automation also significantly accelerates release speed. By supporting continuous integration and deployment, CI/CD, automated testing enables banks to deliver new features, enhancements, and compliance updates up to 4 times faster than manual processes would allow. This faster release cadence helps institutions stay ahead of customer expectations and regulatory demands. Quality gains are equally substantial. AI-powered test automation in banking environments has been shown to produce a 96% reduction in transaction errors and an 89% reduction in security testing overhead. These improvements not only reduce operational risk, but also enhance the reliability of customer-facing systems. Compliance timelines benefit as well. Automated EMV and PCI testing can shorten validation time by as much as 73%, enabling financial institutions to meet regulatory deadlines without the bottlenecks and resource strain typically associated with manual compliance testing. Industry benchmarks show just how transformative automation has become across financial services. Many institutions are seeing significant efficiency gains, with 46% of QA teams in finance reporting more than a 50% reduction in time spent on testing thanks to automation. These gains translate directly into cost savings as well. Automated payment testing can reduce operational costs by 30 to 70%, with the cost per test dropping from $10.15 manually to just $2-3 when automated. Beyond efficiency and cost, automation also delivers expanded coverage. Automated platforms allow banks to run thousands of test cases in parallel, capturing edge cases and complexities that manual testers might easily miss. Real-world examples further highlight the measurable impact. Financial institutions using Paragon application systems' automated payment testing tools have seen test cycle times drop by 70 to 90%, with some teams achieving true continuous testing and deployment. Similarly, PayTest Labs' automation of physical payment terminal testing has enabled banks to accelerate release cycles while maintaining comprehensive coverage, particularly for complicated regression scenarios that are difficult to manage manually. The strategic benefits go well beyond time savings alone. Automation significantly improves accuracy by reducing human error and ensuring consistent, predictable payment flows across channels. It also enhances scalability, as automated testing frameworks can readily adapt to rising transaction volumes, new payment types, and ongoing digital innovation. Perhaps most importantly, automation supports resource optimization. By offloading repetitive manual testing, teams can redirect their expertise toward higher-value activities such as designing new products, improving customer experience, or strengthening security and compliance. As Evans argues, every innovation should be measured by its impact on time. In financial services, automated payment testing is not just a technical upgrade. It's a strategic investment in the most valuable resource your organization has. The ROI is clear: faster releases, lower costs, higher quality, and the ability to keep pace with a rapidly evolving payments landscape. But the benefits extend even further. By reducing manual effort, freeing up specialized teams, and enabling continuous improvement, automated testing helps financial institutions respond more quickly to market shifts, regulatory updates, and emerging customer expectations. In a sector where speed, accuracy, and resilience define competitive advantage, the ability to consistently save and reinvest time becomes a powerful differentiator that compounds over every release cycle. Full credit to David S. Evans for the inspiration and framework provided in his essay, The 4.5 Quadrillion Opportunity in Human Time. Thank you for listening today.